Huh? You'll be fine. This will be for Grandma and Bear? Yeah. Okay. All this powder? Let's wait for him. Whoa, there's a squirrel. You have to go pee?
Yeah.
Why don't we hit the jump first and go pee? Tripp, Tripp, Tripp. Tripp, wait. Tripp. Wait. Wait for Mom.
You're good, you're good.
Tripp, we have to go this way. Go right. Huh? Oh, a squirrel? Whoa!
Yeah, little man.
Hold on, bud. Wait. We're not going that way. We're going right. Wait, go right. Yep, go this way. Yep. Whoa, fresh powder! Yeah. You having fun? Just keep your skis together. You're not stuck, I got you. Oh, look how much powder! Yep, the jump's right down there, where that snowboard is going. Keep going, you see the jump to the left? Right there. See? I'll hit it right next to you. Woo! All right, hey, Tripp. We're gonna take a pee break. Go left, bud. Tripp, left. This way. See the orange? Go across the orange. Oh, through the powder?
Yeah.
Oh.
Through that way, came that way.
Whoa, where'd your skis go? Hey, say to the left. Alright, good job, bud. Hey, go ahead, I'll follow you. We're going out right over there. Stay left. Oh no! Well, look at Mom go. Yeah, go follow Mom. Mom's gonna make a left. Oh no!
How did you fall out?
Was it nice and soft like a pillow? You can go through right there if you want. You go left. This is fresh powder right here, bud. Go down that way. Don't go that way, bud. I don't know what Mom's doing. Go this way. Look. There's no tracks right here. Go right here. Oh. Alright, go get Mom. Fresh tracks. Tripp this way. In the woods. Right here. You can make it from there. You need help from there? Yeah, we can go in this way. That's fine. Oh, you're still on your feet. Nice job, buddy. He said good job, and he's towing a sled. You want to go up here? Look at Mom. Let's wait right here. Let's wait right here. Stop. Yeah. Here comes Mom. Here, let's go through these woods. Go up there. Yep. Oh. Did that hurt at all? No?
No. Did you just run over your pole? No. No?
Here, and oh, I got you. Here's that pole.
So let's see if I'm the first person.
All right, let me set you up. Let's go this way. Alright, we're gonna go down that trail. You just go straight through there.
You going down that trail? Yeah.
Yeah. We were going back down to Toll House.
Yeah. Good job.
Nice, buddy. He's going in further. Whoa! Where are you going? We'll go out this way to that trail. Okay. Oh, Mom fell over.
Oh, so deep.
Yeah, just try to spin your skis so they're downhill somehow. Do you need help? There was a guy that just went down on a sled. Maybe he can bring the sled for you. Yeah, push off of that. You're on the ground now.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Where my legs are.
might have thought I stopped recording, but I don't think I have. Alright, following you, Tripp. Oh, look at that kid. You gonna go through this way? Or that way? Nice save, buddy. No, we can't go through the woods here. Oh.
Stay to the left of them, okay?
Yeah. Come up here. Where are they? What are they doing? Are they dropping in right there? This comes out on Toll Road, right?
What's that?
This comes out on Toll Road?
Yeah, the lift I believe is right down there.
Okay.
Just don't go below the lift. I know that.
Yeah. That looks
I
bad. Alright, I think we could go in there. I like never ski this area. Oh, look, there's someone up there. Whoa! Good job, buddy. Oop. Sorry.
Almost went to the stream, so
Ooh.
over there. Go ahead, guys.
Oh, well, at least it was almost, right? So much snow. Oop, you can keep going. Oop. Nice job, buddy. Woo! That looked flat. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. What?
Why doing that? again.
Oh, because we're going to the truck. You see that lift right there? We don't have to go through those woods. I think there's woods over by the chairlift. This is what we saw from the chairlift.
Doesn't look like that.
Oh, where's Mom? I don't know, maybe she fell down again. You're going so fast though. You passed all those big kids. Okay, let's look that way. Let's wait for Mom. Oh, Mom fell down again. What are you doing over there? That's so much powder. You need help out? Where? You want me to just dig you out? Your skis now? Oh, you can't lift up this one? Where is it? It's so deep. Here, I'll get you. Oh, there's Mom. Yeah. Did you fall again?
It's so hard to get up.
You want to go? I don't know where they went. Yeah. Oh. We're going that way?
Cold or frozen?
Why are we going this way?
Hey, I want to
Where are we going?
my poles more.
Oh, I'm going in the sea.
Oh.
It's like a powdered donut.
Come on, bud. There's trees right over here that we can go into, okay? I was headed towards the trees. Here. Hold that. Over towards Mom. We're going to go into those trees over on the other side of the trail. Not that way, bud.
That way.
That's uphill.
The jump at the end.
Nice. Slow down, bud. Tripp, right here, right here. Come on. Yeah, we're going right here. Or yeah, just follow me, okay? I was thinking of going through here, but I don't know if I didn't read that sign. Do some turns, buddy. Do some nice turns, bud. Oh, we could have done those woods. What are you saying? Oh, you're stopping? Yeah, we could have done those woods. I wasn't sure if that was the right trail. Alright, we go right up here, okay? Do some turns. Alright, go this way. Coming? Or you want to keep going? Well, this one will go back into that trail if you want. Or we can go over there, where Mom is. See where Mom is? Let's go in there, okay? They're down there. Ah, there's a bridge. Look, you put your poles in front of you, so it pushes it away from you, see? Nice. Powder! Powder!
Follow the track.
Yeah, we're gonna go over here. You went into a stream. There's water under right there. See the water? You gotta stay away from that.
Follow the track.
You can just follow them, okay? Let them go first.
Go, Lily, go, go,
Wait for them. Wait for them to go. Where you go around? Oh.
Come on, get back on the track. There's people waiting on us.
Oh no, we're stuck too.
Sorry.
No.
Now follow the track.
Ugh.
You going water? They're trying to get through.
Yeah, don't worry.
You're good. You get it. You're good.
What's on your ski? Here.
It's like what our day's been. Alright, go ahead, bud. Look, there's a bunch of bumps.
Here.
Ooh, that's a lot of tracks now.
Nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, that was a big bump. Whoa! Tripp, you just dragged a tree. Did you see that? That tree got stuck in your arm. You good? Sorry, buddy. You okay? I ran you over because I saw you drop your pole, so I tried to grab it.
Did you run him over?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, he dropped his pole, so I went down to get it, and I'm not 20 years old anymore. So getting back up was challenging, and I couldn't stop in time. Whew. Huh? Tripp, go right. I think. Or no. Looks like the powder's on the left-hand side of the trail. And I think we just go all the way down to the park. Whew. You gonna do it? Arms. 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 To that blue truck. Go over to the black truck over there. They're going to the ambulance. See how the person's in the sled? Other foot.